See, I have mentioned in my previous comments also with regard to this. We are eagerly waiting for the commencement of the next round of talk, be it a roundtable discussion or be it a spot inspection at the ground with regards to the remaining 6 area of difference with our counterpart Assam. With regards to the regional committee of Ribhoi, where the remaining part which is left like Bordua sector and then Nongwa Mautanur sector, then Des Domria sector and Block 2 sector. These are 4 sectors which remain within Ribhoi, and we are very optimistic that very soon our counterpart will inform our Honorable Chairman, our Deputy Chief Minister, Dr. Stun Song. We hope that talk will on for the benefit of the people at large and to ensure that we'll have a safe border, we'll have a clear demarcation at the border, especially keeping in mind the interests of the people at large. This kind of issue, I wouldn't say lack of interest, but because it is a sensitive issue, it is a long pending issue. For the past many decades it has been pending. It is only after 2021, 22 and now on where the talk is on, and I'm not wrong to say that this is the first time that the government, MDA 1 and now MDA 2, have taken such a bold step, that is to start talking, start arranging and to demarcate. Even merit and demerit will always be there, but I'm very optimistic, as I have said, that this kind of issue will take time. Gradually it will take shape in due course of time. Constantly our Chief Secretary and from the government, communication is always there.